Connected Development don join body with Human X sign Memorandum of Understanding wey go end period poverty for Naija. Hamzat Lawal, wey be the chief executive of Connected Development, yarn dis one when he dey talk to Tori people for Abuja. Hamzat talk say for the whole world, about 1.5 billion people no get access to menstrual products and clean hygiene facilities. He still point out say for Naija alone, over 30 million girls no fit afford menstrual hygiene products, and this one dey affect their education anytime wey dem dey on period. He come talk say the biggest achievement wey dem dey pursue na to make sure say every girl pikin for remote area get access to menstrual hygiene products. He say this one go help stop spread of infection and go make girls go back to school. He yarn say the MOU na serious move wey show better things dey come for Naija girl pikin.
In Nigeria, over 30 million girls do not have access to menstrual hygiene products. In schools, they don't even have wash facilities. And in most cases, when girls are on their period, they lose 5 to 7 active days of education. This is unacceptable. And today, what we seek to achieve is to ensure that girls in remote communities have access to reusable pads made locally. And we hope that this can help to ensure that we reduce infectious diseases and girls, when they're on their period, can actually go to school and continue to learn. This MOU we're about to sign is not just a paperwork. It's about purpose. It's about stepping up and stepping forward for our girls so that they do not skip school.
Gbemi Elekula, wey be the founder of Human X, come talk say the partnership go help create awareness and reach rural communities with better information about menstrual hygiene. She talk say the menstrual products wey dem dey promote fit last 3 to 4 years and e dey reliable and cheap enough for every girl pikin wey dey village to use.
We have decided to step aside and to partner with Code for them to help us do this work. We are partnering with Code because we have seen from their history that they have direct access to the kind of communities that we want to reach. And we are trusting that they will be able to help us reach our target audience and to be able to give us feedback on how these pads are serving them, give us data, statistics, all of that. It's a very beautiful day for us because they have taken the burden, they've taken the burden off us, and we trust that it will get to them. Now, let me show you what these reusable pads look like. We call them dignity packs. That's because it restores the dignity of the females that are going to use them. Each pack has 3 pads in them. They are made from cotton fabrics. As you can see, it looks like the normal pads that we women use. Inside, we have wool and polystyrene inside that can absorb the blood. A woman can use this for as long as 3 to 4 years, depending on how she maintains it. Now, how can she use this? If we have a pants here, all she has to do is to clip this under the pants, and then it holds her for as long as it can. It's washable, reusable, till it gives way after some years.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifeme Onosimo, TMC News.